morning, a lot of people are going to be talking about the comments President Trump reportedly made yesterday during a meeting about immigration.
Yeah, people in that meeting say that the president used an expletive to describe Haiti and nations in Africa. ABC 2 News' Chanel Pearman is live in downtown Baltimore for us. Chanel, local leaders are speaking out about his comments. What are they saying this morning?
Ashley, unforgivable and demeaning are just some of the words local leaders are using to describe those comments made by President Trump. He reportedly questions why the U.S. would allow more immigrants from countries like Haiti and Africa into the country, referring to those nations as blank hole countries. The president also suggesting it would be more acceptable to bring in more people from countries like Norway. The White House is not denying that the president used profanity in referring to those nations, but issued a statement saying the president supports immigration policies that welcome those who can contribute to our society. In a tweet, I condemn this unforgivable statement and this demeaning of the office of presidency. I will always fight for the vulnerable among us and against bigotry in all its forms. Senator Chris Van Hollen also speaking out on Twitter saying, I am disgusted. If you are too, take your anger and call your Republican members of Congress. America Catherine Pugh also taken to Twitter saying that she is appalled. And Ashley Christian, she is asking elected officials to condemn those comments.
Okay, ABC 2 News' Chanel Pearman live for us at City Hall this morning. We'll see if there are more condemnations coming later today. Meantime, a lot of people are speaking out about what the president said during that meeting yesterday.
Including Maryland Senator Ben Cardin, who talked about it on CNN's The Situation Room last night. Take a look.
The president's comments damaged us greatly. It's now, I think, our responsibility to say that his comments do not represent America.
Cardin goes on to say the comments are very, very hurtful. Republican Congresswoman from Utah, Mia Love, also reacting, saying the comments are unkind and divisive. She is urging the president to apologize.